Tonight on KTCS News, we bring a report of Hurricane Kaioger approaching Camera from the Una Ocean. The hurricane was last seen 30 miles out from Camera. It has been expected to strike the coast of Tambarinie Bay within the next week or so. So far, it's looking like the hurricane is going to be a Category 5. That is a catastrophic hurricane. We would encourage anyone to start packing and take precautions and be prepared to evacuate if Hurricane Kaioger is expected to make landfall in Camera. Tambarinie Bay will most likely be the main target for this hurricane. We are asking all residents within the Tambarinie Bay and the surrounding areas to please board up your businesses and homes and prepare your emergency evacuation kits. We will be broadcasting about this hurricane throughout the week as it draws closer. Hurricane Tambarinie. We're calling this Hurricane Kaioger, and it's expected to strike Tambarinie Bay within the next week or so. So please make sure you have all of your family members together, as well as your emergency evacuation plan. This looks to be a catastrophic hurricane, maybe worse than Katrina. So everyone, please be prepared. The National Hurricane Center has issued a hurricane watch for Tambarinie Bay and the surrounding areas. Repeat, hurricane watch for Clare County and the surrounding areas. Until next time, I'm James Barth on KTCS News.